Strongly bullish GYRO is trending as momentum builds around its low float and the potential for a major price surge. Traders are drawing comparisons to other recent low float runners, where limited share availability created explosive upside moves once buying pressure accelerated. And this usually occurs when it's difficult for short sellers to sell more to average out their positions, and because of the fact that it is hard for them. They are not top priority when it comes to opening positions. Yeah. If you place an order to buy, the broker is likely to, if the shares are not available, the broker may not cancel the order. The broker may just continue to pass them as at available. Whereas in the case of short sellers, the orders may not go through once if they want to sell 1,000 and there isn't enough shares to satisfy the order. That order is cancelled. As a result of that, you may find out that you can clearly see what's going on. If they want to average out, they can't, but you are able to go in. As such, we get a short squeeze playing out. There was also a recent land sale, which is seen as a significant boost to the company's net asset value, and a couple of other things, shareholder meeting coming up, and much more. On Friday, the 5th, it gained 4.59%. Underlying trend is bullish. High prices have been printing in the short term, at least since early April, just like the broader market. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that higher prices will continue to play out up to Friday, the 19th. Projections are saying 10.81, 11.05, 11.69, 12.23. There are no downward projections currently in play, but not long ago it had a downward projection of 8.03. Price pressure momentum is strong, very strong. Okay, for some reason, yeah, strong. The 10-day to 200-day moving average is much stronger than the 10-day moving average. Okay, let's see now. We are in a state where we'll just probably have to have a look and see what the market grid is saying to see what's going on right now. This is the daily chart, obviously. Let's have a look at the market grid. The market grid gives us a channel where the stock is supposed to be trading, or within which a stock is supposed to be trading. Okay, the price closed at stock closed at $10.11. Okay, let's see what we have. $11 currently. It's based on this. It is trading outside of its market grid, indicating that maybe there's a good chance that a pullback may occur. Yeah, indicating that that might be what may happen. Yeah, but at the same time as well, it could also be that it may not pull back, and if it doesn't pull back, the market grid will expand to accommodate it. So, as of the close of Friday the 5th, it was indicating that a pullback is possible. After the strength it showed, it's indicating that a pullback is possible. A contraction of the expansion is imminent. It's something that can happen. It's something. It is on the cards. We could also have a look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is more of a trading outlook, but at the same time, it's you could also see it as a magnification of what is on the daily chart. Here as well, we can clearly see it's also right outside of the price channel, and the algos are not extrapolating higher prices here. It's extrapolating that some weakness might remain in place, might come in, and may remain in place up till midday on Monday the 8th of September. Then after that, we might get a slight bounce, and some other things might occur from then. But in the very short term, it's a some correction and then a bounce up till pre-market session, or I would just say roughly for the next one day. If you're looking at up to Tuesday the 9th, it's actually saying more of a consolidation up to Wednesday. So here, price pressure is magnified on its 10 period moving average. Let's remove the market grid. So yes, the market grid, the stock is trading outside of its market grid or just right on it. Yeah, it's right on the market grid, indicating as well that yeah, a pullback is possible. It's something that can happen. Or at the same time, it could also continue to print higher prices, and the market grid may expand to accommodate it. One of those. But I would say just be cautious, given that it's indicating this amount of strength. Maybe may not be the best time to buy. Not the best time to buy. Okay, let's see. Let's have a look at the price pressure momentum two. So everything is strongly bullish here. Nothing here is negative at all. So that's my the fact that we have the strong momentum may also lend to the prospect of higher prices printing, but at the same time, it also means that it's also vulnerable to the downside as well. So just have a look and see what you make of GYRO, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.